Friends and I met at Vegan Ilocos Sur. Bale, nagbakasyon ako doon.
Actually, once lang kami nagkakilala noon.
Pinakilala lang siya sa akin ng pinsan ko, si Ate Blessy.
Way back 2010.
Nung una, hindi ko siya pinapansin.
Parang being friendly lang, ganun. Kakilala kami. Tapos after nun, wala nang communication.
After 2 or 3 years,
Kinamusta ako nung pinsan niya. Tinatanong kung may girlfriend ako, ganyan.
yung time na yun,
I'm really available. Wala akong girlfriend.
yung time na yun, pareho na kaming free.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, no, you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't be scared. I just wanna set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me can make it anywhere. And for now, we can stay here for a while. Hey, 'cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing.
So, ang message ko lang actually sa Facebook is, hi, sabi ko lang ganun. And then, alain mo, yung reply niya after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks pa yung reply niya, sabi niya hello. And then, doon na nagsimula yung conversation namin.
Simula nung nagkausap na kami, we started having conversation every day.
Kasi, she started looking on my pictures at nakita po niya yung mga paintings ko. Yung pala, mahilig siya sa arts.
Lagi yan, araw-araw. Kahit nasa work siya, minamessage niya ako.
So, doon na nagsimula. And then, nagpunta siya ng Vegan, namasyal siya. Nagbakasyon, and then, doon kami nagkita personally sa Vegan. So, pinasyal ko siya sa Vegan, ayan.
Doon siya nag-start na magsabi na about sa feelings niya.
From 2013 to 2014, tapos by March 11,
Tinakot niya kasi ako kaya ako sinagot.
ayan, sinagot niya ako noon.
At the end of the day, nagkayayaan na punta ng tabing dagat. Tapos yun, nag-usap. Doon yung first Hokage moves niya eh. Sabi niya, it's now or never.
Nabanggit naman niya noon na may inaasikaso siyang papers, yung pala mag-abroad siya ulit. Actually, after niya akong sinagot,
Yun yung day before ng flight ko. Mga 2 days.
lumipad na siya patungong Saudi.
Nag-sorry ako sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko naman ina-expect na ganun kabilis yung process ng application ko.
Ayun, naging long distance relationship yung nangyari sa amin.
can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. But when it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photo.
Ang nangyari is parang di ako satisfied na malayo kami sa isa't isa. So buti na lang God always use people to bless other people. So ako na yun sa mga isang na biyayaan ng Panginoon na makapunta at makasunod sa kanya sa Jeddah. So yung unforgettable moment doon is yung ngiti sa mukha niya. Yung excitement na yung nagkita na kami. Yun.
Just so, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in this photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes were never closing, our hearts were never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed. And inside these pages, you just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home.
About sa marriage proposal, actually nag-prepare ako noon 1 week before nung proposal. Limited nga lang yung time. So kinakontsaba ko na yung mga friends ko and brothers sa FFBC, yung church namin yon sa Jeddah.
Every Friday kasi nag-a-attend kami ng church. Tapos,
Nung time ng proposal, nag-declare na may disaster, tapos lumabas kunyari ako, pati yung mga ibang mga nurses na kasama ko doon.
nung time na yon nalungkot ako. Kasi parang kaka-start pa lang ng service, ganyan. Tapos hindi pa kami nakakapag-usap, wala pang fellowship. Tapos bigla silang aalis.
Na pinatawag nga kami, lumabas ako, ganyan. Pero dun sa labas, naka-ready na yung flowers, naka-ready na yung mga friends ko doon na magigitara, haharana sa kanya habang papasok ako.
Pagkalabas nila, andun lang ako nakaupo sa gilid. Nung una, napapaisip ako kasi walang tao dun sa place ko. Lahat sila may busy, may ginagawa, ganyan. Tapos maya-maya, may tumutugtog. Sabi ko, ano kayang meron? Nagpa-practice kaya sila for next Friday. Tapos maya't maya, yung mga tinawag na pupuntang hospital, bumalik sila kasi sabi hindi daw natuloy. Tapos yun.
So, nung proposal, it went smooth. Yung reaction niya, parang hindi siya makapaniwala na ano ba nangyayari, sabi niya. Pinaupo na lang siya sa gitna and then, bakit? Anong nangyayari?
Some of them started singing. Tapos bigla nakita ko na rin si Franz, naka-coat siya. May nag-abot sa kanya ng bulaklak.
Tapos yung pala yun, nakita niya na ako. Yun na yung time na medyo mangiyak-ngiyak na siya. Actually, ako rin mangiyak-ngiyak nung time na yun na hawak ko na yung flowers. Tapos pupunta ako sa harapan niya habang may background music kami na I Will Be Here.
He started walking papunta sa akin. Tapos yun, nagsimula na rin akong naiyak.
Tapos tumigil yung kanta, lumuhod ako. Then I said, "Will you marry me?" And then that's it. Wala.
Hindi naman ako nagdalawang isip na magsabi ng yes.
Girl, I say, if only life would lean our way. Well, you and me, we'd run away to be wherever our adventure waits. And time would be a distant memory. Nobody could tell us to stay. Well, I've been dreaming ever since I've seen you happen when you came my way. I heard your heart say love, love, love. 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 Oh, it seems awfully far for us to find at all. Well, all these years will wash away and we'll be clean.